We are at lesson 21 for beer characteristics, and in this lesson we are taking a look at the solvent-like character in beer. The solvent-like character in beer. These are strong aromas and flavors, much like acetone, paint thinner, or turpentine. There's usually a hot, burning sensation that comes with this character. This is usually caused by high levels of ethyl acetate and other esters, and sometimes fusel alcohols such as propanol and butanol. Causes of solvent-like flavors and aromas in beer. Underpitching yeast. Insufficient yeast cells can lead to excessive ester and fusel alcohol production. Insufficient wort aeration can stress the yeast and also increase ester production. And leaving the beer on the trub and high fermentation temperatures can lead to a solvent-like character. Yeast strains can play an influence on the production of solvent-like flavors. Certain yeast strains are more prone to producing solvent-like compounds. To combat this, we need proper fermentation control to keep the temperature from rising and fluctuating to reduce this character. The solvent-like character can be acceptable in some beer styles. In low levels, it can add complexity to a beer by enhancing the boozy character. It can be appropriate in old ales, barley wines, and American strong ales, but it should never be excessively hot or unpleasant in any style. There are some ways we can manage these solvent-like flavors. Pitching an adequate amount of yeast to the sufficiently aerated wort helps limit the solvent-like character. And maintaining constant and proper temperature ranges when using yeast strains that are prone to solvent-like compound production will also help in limiting this character. The solvent-like character in summary. Solvent-like flavors, while adding complexity at low levels in certain strong ales, are mostly undesirable in other styles. And if we get a beer in our judging exam that has an unacceptable or excessive solvent-like character, we can make a note like, ensure proper aeration and pitch rate and carefully monitor fermentation temperature to control solvent-like notes. And that is it for this solvent-like character lesson. Now on to the next lesson.